To all of you, a warm greeting. We have just reached the peak of our gigantic ascending channel, which indicates that we're currently trading at a price that is greater than 51,000 United States dollars. This is a new day and a fresh pump on the Bitcoin price itself. Nevertheless, something extremely fascinating took place the day before yesterday, something that we had been anticipating in some way. First of all, we had a push in the direction of the negative, or more specifically, we received a bearish CVD divergence forming. Although there were lower highs on the Bitcoin price itself, higher highs on our CVD, and a brand new push towards the upside on the open interest, it appears that people started longing at this particular level. However, they were not successful in pushing the price higher, which is why we first received a push towards the downside. Do you remember what level we discussed the day before? We cited the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the distance from our swing low to our swing high. Continuing with the retracement levels, you are going to notice that we have reached our level right here, which is the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. This level was reached nearly to the exact dollar, and when the level was actually reached, we are currently experiencing a push towards the upside that is already at 7 as of right now. And now, right now, I would just like to share with you the volume that is coming as of right now directly in the market, because if we zoom in a little bit on the 30-minute time frame, you are going to notice 600 volume spike right here, and we're getting roughly 91 million. 144 million volume coming directly in the market on the 30-minute candles on this specific upside. Very nice in terms of the volume. However, if we go a little bit more in depth, I would, as of right now, like to share with you the open interest chart and also the liquidations that are right now coming directly in the market. Yes, we do know Bitcoin is going higher and higher and higher. Open interest for the past couple of hours is seeing a push towards the downside on the Binance chart. And also, if we go right now on the Binbit chart, you are going to see a very similar story. We are seeing open interest decrease. Yes, the last candle that we are forming right now is now seeing an open interest increase right here. But for the entire push towards the upside, we are seeing open interest decrease. And not only that, the reason for this decrease in open interest is most likely due to the fact that we are witnessing a significant number of liquidations once again coming directly into the market. The day before, we discussed liquidations, and we saw approximately 46 million short positions being destroyed and liquidated. As of right now, on this particular 6-hourly candle, we are already witnessing 51 million short positions being destroyed and liquidated. So I would just like to share with you, the last time we got so many people getting liquidated, it was approximately at this specific area when Bitcoin then suddenly got quite a crazy reversal back towards downside. Also, if we zoom out a little bit to again pay attention to our liquidation data right here, if hopefully this chart right here is going to load, we got many liquidations right here. We got a push towards downside on the Bitcoin price itself. So, of course, I think we can all agree. When a lot of liquidations are coming in the market, we should simply start being slightly more cautious, not only because we are seeing a lot of people getting liquidated right here, but also because some important targets are being hit. Also, a couple of minutes ago, I posted this specific chart on Twitter, which means we are right now trading exactly at the top of our channel. Very important price target that, in my opinion, should definitely not be ignored. Because historically speaking, this specific C channel has been respected literally perfectly. Not only we are, as of right now, exactly at the top of our C channel right here, we are, yes, slightly above our weekly area of resistance. But to be honest, as we also mentioned in the live stream the other day, this specific cloud right here, it's more of a zone. It's more of a zone of resistance at approximately 51.0 to approximately 52.0 USD. So we know we are at the weekly right now. We know we're seeing the top of our massive seed. A lot of people getting liquidated right here. And on top of that also, if we zoom out a little bit again on the weekly time frame, I would like to share with you the level that is, in my opinion, very, very important one. And that is going to be the level at 51,800 USD. Simply because to the fact that historical data is currently indicating to us that this particular level is an important one. This is due to the fact that when we broke this particular level towards the outside, excellent bearish retest, we continued significantly lower, and it was a fantastic region of support already in 2021. I would say that Bitcoin is currently trading at a very significant level, which is 51,500 USD, or let's just say 52.0 USD. This is a level where a lot of different levels are almost perfectly aligning together. Now, I think we can all agree that if this particular area of resistance in the coming hours does see a break towards the upside, then it would be a happy day for Bitcoin. Most probably, we are looking for higher. I wouldn't directly be targeting a brand new all-time high, but to be honest, this specific level, let's just say at approximately 60 USD, is then going to be the next important target. And in my opinion, I would actually say, if you pay attention to the price action right here, we haven't really got many reactions at this specific area in between. So I'd simply say if 52.0 USD is going to be broken towards the upside, we are looking most probably for the price increase of another 15 towards 60 USD. Now, zooming out, or actually zooming in a little bit on the daily time frame, most probably we are going to confirm a brand new daily high from time frame area of support, and this daily support level is going to be confirmed in the next 13 hours and 41 minutes, and it's going to be at approximately 50 USD. So pretty much our previous highs right here are going to act as our first local area of support level that, in my opinion, you should right now put on the chart, because most probably it is actually going to be confirmed in the upcoming hours. If we go right now with the relative strength index or the RSI indicator on the daily, of course we are already overbought, but on the 4-hour time frame we are formed at 47,000 USD, and we are printing brand new higher highs on Bitcoin while the RSI is seeing brand new lower highs. This is yet another slight bearish indication that is occurring, and it is the reason why I might anticipate a rejection precisely at this particular area. Significant bearish divergence on RSI is, as of right now, being formed right here. So I would say we are seeing some bearish indications already right now. And I would say if you're as of right now looking to trade Bitcoin, yes, we can be interested going with short or a sell position. Similarly, what we were doing yesterday right here with brand new bearish CVD divergence forming. Now, when we right now look, if the bearish CVD divergence is forming, you're actually going to notice, as of now, we are seeing a push towards the upset on our CVD, while Bitcoin is suddenly forming a very slight lower high end. As of right now, this can also be seen on a lower term time frame, which means that I would say that people are still getting bullish at this particular area by going with a brand new long or buy position. However, if I were to be completely honest, I would only go with a short or a sell position. However, it is important to keep in mind that purchasing a short or selling at this particular level is still slightly more risky. Why is this the case? As a result of the fact that you are going against a massive bullish trend that is moving in the direction of the upside. If you are currently an experienced trader, yes, a short position is definitely an option. Of course, make sure you're setting a proper stop loss, proper position size. But if you are not an experienced trader, all I would do right now, wait for some kind of a rejection if it happens, and simply go with a brand new long or a buy position, because we are still preferably going with the trend, expecting higher targets to come on the Bitcoin price itself, because again, trade with the trend. Now, if you want, get yourself some free bonuses after initial deposit, and thank you for smashing up the like button.